Today I want to update you on BRIDGETOWN, BTWN. Is it a time to buy? Hi guys, just wanted to give you an update on BRIDGETOWN. Wanted to basically, I know there's been some news out there in regards to it possibly not merging with Tokopedia. And I wanted to cover the stock a little bit and just basically give you my opinion on what I'm going to be doing in the coming days and what's happened to the stock since then. Just want to look at the stock real quick here. I know we did have a last week before the market came down a little bit. I know it was a little high. It was at about 1603. That was in anticipation of BRIDGETOWN merging with Tokopedia. A lot of people were talking about it. In one of my previous videos, I had mentioned that just in case it didn't merge with Tokopedia, the stock would go down and it would be a great opportunity to buy. Okay? Now, the reason why I said that was real simple. When I'm looking at a company to buy or stock to buy, I'm looking at their management, I'm looking at the team, I'm looking at the people behind the company. In this case, it's Peter Thiel. I recapped. If you guys want to go ahead and go back to that video, I'm going to put a link here. I recapped the management team. I recapped Peter Thiel. I recapped his experience. He's had various successful companies that he's invested in. Some were Palantir. As of recent, Palantir. You got PayPal, early investor in Facebook. So when you see a person that has a vision, I wasn't too worried about BTWN merging with Tokopedia. I was more interested of what the future holds for Peter Thiel and the decision he's going to make moving forward. So since then, I know we received a little bit of news in regards to, if you look at the screen here, Gojek in talks with Tokopedia for $18 billion merger. And then since then, the stock has pretty much gone down since then. It's starting to head back up a little bit. But today it went all the way down to $13. Now we do hold 160 shares. Our average is $12.49. And I did mention in my previous video as well that a good place to buy this stock was anywhere between $12 and $14. Great place. This is I want you guys to consider this information as not financial advice, but just my suggestion. Right now it's down because the stock market, or better yet, the people within the stock market sometimes overreact when things don't go the way that they're planned to go. In those overreactions, I want you to take advantage of these opportunities, because just because the stock goes down doesn't mean anything bad is happening. It's just part of the stock market. But I want you to be the one taking opportunities here where the stock is lower, and then you have a turnaround on when Peter Thiel or the management decides on what company they're going to merge with. I'm telling you, this stock is going to double easy. It's going to double easy. It's just a matter of time. Now, if Tokopedia is not going to be in the works for them, that's okay as well, because there's several other companies that they're looking at, that they're doing their due diligence. So I'm not really, I don't really care too much. Obviously, you care somewhat about the company that they're merging with, but with Peter Thiel's previous experience, then you got to say and you got to tell yourself, you know what? Let's follow the money, guys. Let's follow him, and whatever decision he makes, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a very good decision. With that, I just wanted to do this video real quick, kind of touch bases on it, just because it did drop a bit. But guys, don't worry about this stock. This stock is heading up. I'm actually buying more at this time, so if it goes any lower, I'm gonna keep buying. I do want to get my position to about 300 shares on this stock, and this is going to be a long-term hold for me. I believe in the management, and I think it's gonna be very good. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Have a great one, and I'll see you on the next one.